Get a feel for the 2024 Chevrolet Suburban. The iconic family hauler keeps getting better. While the Suburban's refined luxury and state-of-the-art technology keeps passengers comfortable and connected, its muscle quietly gets the tough jobs done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging station, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, heated driver's seat, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry. Go bold or go home. The Suburban is the real deal. Come in for a road test and bring the family.